What's going on YouTube? Hannah back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we'll be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as basic attention token to Bitcoin. As always, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications. Hopefully you guys liked my video yesterday, basically showing you the power of cryptocurrency. And if you are able to invest your money wisely and you learn ways of the trade, it can be quite profitable even in a down market. So I definitely recommend, if you haven't already, check out yesterday's video. Otherwise, we're going to be looking at a few things in today's episode. Obviously, some technical analysis, the overall coin market cap, and then we're also going to be looking at basic attention tokens' massive run, and then potentially Elon Musk getting involved in cryptocurrency. Sounds wild, but we will check it out. I do have a couple articles we will be looking at. So let's just start off the episode today. Obviously, as you guys can see, we're on the current coin market cap. Bitcoin dominance at 53.8%, a 24-hour volume of 10.5, and a market cap of 208.2 billion. So a few things to note from that. So slightly lower market cap than yesterday, and then as we can see, lower 24-hour volume and lower Bitcoin dominance. So we are seeing overall a slower market today than we have in the past, and I know that you guys are telling me that you guys don't like the repetitive motions and pointing out that the market is basically acting quite stable and trading sideways. So that's why I'm taking a more showing you guys the advances that are and news related current events that are happening within the market. This way to spice things up, keep it a little interesting. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Otherwise, top 10 cryptos. Obviously, as you guys can see, we'll talk a little less about this and more about the current events in 1 second. But I do like to cover this because I know a lot of people are here for this. But Bitcoin 6,400, very interesting. We seem to have broken below our $6,500 support. So we're going to check that out in a second because that is quite a red flag in my opinion. Ethereum at 203. And then Litecoin at 53.08 at 1.4%. Also, on a side note, for the person that won the giveaway, please do make sure to email me at cryptotvofficial@gmail.com. I'm still waiting for that email. I read your comment in the past, and I was not able to see any emails from you. I checked my Gmail account, and I couldn't see it. So definitely make sure you're typing in that email correctly. Otherwise, let's just continue on. So Litecoin 53.08, up 1%. Stellar up 2.9. And then I want to show you guys basic attention token. So basically that is BAT right here. As you guys can see, basic attention token is up 14% today at 0.23 cents, which is quite surprising because this was a token that was on my radar for quite some time. And it seems like we're taking a pretty big leap in the past 24 hours. And I do want to show you guys a quick article basically about the giant jump that is happening within basic attention token. And then we'll swing around and talk about Litecoin and potentially Elon Musk getting involved. But just to really sum it up quick, you can obviously see by the title on hack.com. Basic attention token, BAT, quietly racks up 42% gains on Coinbase anticipation. So pretty much what it states, and to give you guys that knowledge, basically there's rumors of basic attention token being added to Coinbase, which is huge because if we do see that added to, obviously, Coinbase, the #1 coin exchange in, I think, all of the world, we are definitely going to see a massive rise in the current token. Now, the thing is, though, people like to buy the rumor, sell the news. So the rumor is making the coin grow, but it is also possible that when it actually gets listed, we could see a decline on other markets, but an incline in Coinbase. So that's kind of what we were seeing in past activity. I remember when Bitcoin Cash was added to Coinbase and we saw a massive spike on the exchange to the point where they had to shut down the exchanges for Bitcoin Cash. No trading was allowed. And then we saw a small decrease on all the other exchanges quickly after. So very interesting in that sort of response. But obviously, as you guys can see, you get 42% increase right here. Pretty wild. Grown 15% in the past 24 hours like we just discussed, and basically referring to the fact that Coinbase is going to be adding potentially BAT to its exchange. It says, when the exchange released the announcement stating that they're considering adding 5 particular tokens: BAT, Stellar, Cardano, OX, Zcash, and basic attention tokens. So for those of you guys who are asking me what cryptos or altcoins to invest in besides obviously Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and yeah, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, that's my personal top 3 cryptos to invest in. So what altcoins are good? These are the ones I'm referring to: Stellar, Cardano, OX, Zcash, and Basic Attention Token. And I do remember that there are a few people commenting me to look at OX, CoinZRX to US dollar and look at the technical analysis. And I will do that in another video, but my opinion on it is here. The fact that it is listed here in Coinbase is choosing to potentially add these to its exchange does give me more credibility in saying that these tokens, these altcoins, have made it past their, primary stages in ICO form and are currently becoming popular and more stable, stable in a volatile market, a more stable cryptocurrency to invest in. So obviously these altcoins are definitely a good thing to be adding to a portfolio in a more long-term exchange. So definitely check those out. But to move on to this, so this is CoinGate.com, very interesting title. It says Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin are now accepted by Elon Musk's Boring Company. So for those who do not know, Elon Musk has a company called the Boring Company, and what the Boring Company is it sells, well, it's basically a bunch of different projects that he's pretty much working on, but one of them is a flamethrower. So like this, not a flamethrower that he sells. I don't even know what the concept of. I'm kind of confused to see if maybe they have a picture. I don't know, but if you just type in Elon Musk flamethrower, it will come up. But now I was doing a lot of research on this because it kind of sounded too good to be true, and that's why I wanted to bring it to your guys' attention, and I wanted to hear what your personal opinion is on Elon Musk adding this. I read a lot of rumors that they could potentially be fake. What I mean by that is that when I checked Elon Musk's website, the Boring Company's website, they were sold out of the flamethrowers, which makes me infer that they don't, like, these articles could be potentially rumors. Then I read another article that basically suggests that there could be a fake company knocking off the Boring Company and accepting crypto, obviously a payment that can't really be tracked. So I definitely want to spread awareness to that. If Elon Musk did actually accept cryptocurrency and it is his exchange, that is very, very, very good news. A big public figure like that approving cryptocurrency is huge for the market, and we should see some sort of correction in price due to this. But if it's not, and it isn't fake, obviously this news should also just make the currencies go up slightly. But if it's fake, we'll see a slight decline. But definitely check out that. It could potentially be a rumor, not a flamethrower with Bitcoin. That's what I'm referring to. So yeah, definitely check that out because, yeah, here we go. Elon Musk has reached out to Palmer asking him for a solution that could stop the scam spammings. Not sure if this is referring to what I was just saying, but it is possible that this could be a potential scam in the fact that somebody knocked off his website and is accepting cryptocurrency as a payment. So just be aware of that. But if it is real, that is very good news for the market. So moving on to Litecoin. I'm going to be quick with Litecoin because I know you guys don't like when I'm repetitive. So I am working on that. I apologize. But I thank you guys for the feedback because even if it is criticism, it is good criticism. And it does help this market grow. Sorry, this channel grow. Sorry for the sniffling. I guess it's allergies. I don't even know. Or getting sick. I don't even know what it is. It just came on today. So we're trading sideways right now. Obviously, you can see we're having a lot of swings. And honestly, just to make this short and sweet for you guys, the fact that we are trading sideways to me and to a lot of other people is a huge indicator that something is going to happen again. Like we saw in the past, we were talking about this sideways trading right here, all the way here. This sideways movement was an indication that something big was going to happen. And obviously you can see we had a price correction and we fell down. Now you can see it's doing the same exact repetitive motion. So it is very possible that we could see a potential boom up to, $60, $62, $63 fairly soon. So be mindful of that. This is a very unstable market. So when we see stability, that is a red flag that something is going to happen, or at least it should raise the eyebrows and you should think, what is going on here? So obviously interesting. Moving on to Bitcoin now. On the 4-hour, you can see that Bitcoin is trading sideways again. We did break bullish. Pretty nice, a bullish movement out here. Kind of got caught in our high-low middle moving averages. The relative strength index does look quite nice, only at around 46, so plenty of potential to move back up. Also plenty of potential to fall down. Interesting enough, we did break bearish out of this high-low MMA, this channel right here. We did fall, and you can see we kind of bounced off of the top of the support. So interesting enough, this is a 10-month support or an 11-month, resistance. it has been an 11-month resistance right here that has been on the market, like I said, for 11 months. As you can see, we finally kind of crossed over that, and you can see we're kind of bouncing off the top here. So it is indicative that we could move back up fairly quick in the market. So obviously, I know I like to have a more positive outlook on things, but again, it is possible that we could break bearish. And if we do, we're most likely going to fall to around 6,194. But keeping things positive, we should, because we broke out of the downtrend, we should decide to move up a little bit higher. Moving on to Ethereum. Ethereum also just trading sideways, very similar to what Bitcoin was doing. It is just, trading sideways, waiting for Bitcoin to make some sort of move. I know it is very interesting. We're going to have to watch this, but when we see a lot of stability here, you can see in the past, this is stability. Then we fell. We're seeing stability again, and we should anticipate some sort of movement in the positive or negative direction fairly quick. Lastly, to make this quick, I know you guys did not like the, like I said, the constant repetition, and I'm trying not to sniffle, so I apologize for that as well, and I don't want to keep editing it out or blow my nose. But as you guys can see, basic attention token, very interesting coin. We had this downtrend right here, so I'm trying to put some technical analysis as for the rumor of Coinbase. I did notice that there is some sort of downtrend that was on here, and it found quite a bit of support right here. You can see there's one also right here, and we can kind of make some sort of channel. But interesting enough, what I would have said if I was looking at basic attention token prior to Coinbase rumor, I would have saw that we were, quite frankly, really below our high-low MMA on the daily. And when I see us below the daily MMA, it's an indicator to me that at some point we are going to move back up and retest that high-low MMA. And that's what we did. We did move back up here. For all those who are holding on to BAT, I'd probably say if you bought it somewhere down here and you are still holding on to it at the current price level, I'd probably recommend selling off part of it and taking a profit, because we are extremely overbought, and that is an indicator that we need to pull back down, on the daily, which is pretty strong. Daily's right here. So that's definitely my opinion on this market. Otherwise, let me know in the comments how you think I did. Any positive, negative feedback is always appreciated. And otherwise, I guess I'll see you guys in tomorrow's episode. Peace. Leave a giant thumbs up on the channel if you like this content too.